TallyPrime server installation and setup. In this video, we will look at the process to set up TallyPrime server. TallyPrime server offers critical services to monitor concurrency of operations to increase user productivity and efficiency and enhance data security. TallyPrime server runs as a service and once started can be seen under Windows services. TallyPrime server installer comes with enhanced capabilities. It is a setup manager that enables you to add, manage and remove all TallyPrime server applications in a system. The built-in intelligence of the setup manager gathers all required system and user information to set default action on its own. For example, if TallyPrime server is installed for the first time in the system, the installation options are shown. In case Tally Server 9 or older version of TallyPrime server already exists in the system, then the setup manager will show the update options by default. It handles all known user or technical situations that could potentially exist and informs you about errors or exceptions. Setup Manager also provides flexibility to alter installation configurations at any point of time. Let us now look at the steps to install TallyPrime server in a system where no Tally installation is present. Double-click the Setup exe file. The Install Application screen appears. If you want to configure and change default settings such as application path, desktop shortcut, start menu entry and so on, click the configure option. Click install button to install the application. Once it is done, an installation successful message is displayed. Once TallyPrime server is installed, you have to activate the license. Start the TallyPrime server application. TallyPrime server will be in educational mode until the license is activated, which is shown in the title bar. Click Activate New License. Enter the serial number, activation key and your email ID. Provide a valid email ID that you use frequently, since this ID will be used for all communication and license management. It will also be assigned as TallyNet ID. After you accept the details, the unlock key is sent to the given email ID. Copy or enter the unlock key and accept. TallyPrime server license is activated with the given serial number. You will notice that TallyPrime server has changed from educational mode to licensed mode. The color of the title bar changes when the license is active. We can now look at the Setup Manager in action in a system where Tally server application such as Tally Server 9 is installed. Double-click the Setup exe file. You will be taken directly to Update Flow. Here you have the choice to either update the existing Tally Server 9 or install TallyPrime separately. By default, you will be asked to update. In the Update TallyPrime server screen, click Update. An Update Successful message is displayed. Click Start TallyPrime to start the application. If Tally Server 9 was in educational mode at the time of update, TallyPrime server will start in education mode. If you have an existing license with valid TSS, you can reactivate the license by entering your TallyNet ID and password in just a couple of clicks. Once you open the TallyPrime server monitor, you have to publish the data for TallyPrime users to access. In this process, you first have to create data locations and link them to the Windows folder where TallyPrime data is saved. This enables to access the data from these locations through TallyPrime server. This improves the speed, performance, safety and concurrency. In the TallyPrime server monitor, press Alt-K or click on Tally Prime Server in the top menu. Select Data Location and press Enter. Under Data Location and Access Configuration, enter location name and specify the Windows folder in which Tally Prime data saved as the path. The folder path is linked to this location. In Tally Prime, you will select this location name and access the data in the given path. You can create multiple locations and link each to a specific folder path. Save the changes. Now, you can publish this data for Tally Prime users to access. To do this, press Alt-K and select Data Server, select Tally Prime Gold License. Under Tally Prime Gold License configuration, enter the IP address or system name of the computer where Tally Prime is installed and the port number. Save the changes. You have published the data on Tally Prime server for access from the Tally Prime just configured. As we just saw, installing Tally Prime server is very simple, and so is updating your Tally Server 9 to Tally Prime server. Once installed, you can quickly publish the data for Tally Prime users to access. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.